Hey guys, it's EJ the Puzzle Cuber, and today I'm going to be showing you the H subset of the CLL. So we're just going to start off with the first one. There are two algs. Here's the first one for the pure corner twist. And here's the second alg. For the diag swap, it's actually a pretty easy alg to memorize. There's also an alternate alg. I'm not going to show it fast because I'm terrible at it. Now there's this case. These two are swapped. And for our last one, we have this case. So that's about it for my CLL tutorial on the H cases. And make sure that you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.